Manipur joins the nation in observing National Cleanliness Day. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla appeals people to continue practicing cleanliness in our day-to-day life. Cleanliness drive conducted today in different parts of the state as a part of National Cleanliness Day and Swachhta Hi Seva. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren says the next round of tripartite talks between the United Naga Council, Government of India and Government of Manipur is likely to take place on 6th or 7th of this month. Mera Hautongba, the only traditional customary common festival of all ethnic groups in Manipur, will be celebrated on state level at Kangla on the 5th of this month. And All India Radio to commission 9 FM stations in the Northeast India, Ukhrul in the list. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla and Chief Minister Nongthom Biren led the people of Manipur in observing the National Cleanliness Day on the occasion of the 148th birth anniversary of Mahatma today. National Cleanliness Day was observed on the occasion at Gandhi Memorial Hall today. People paid floral tributes at the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla appealed the people to continue practicing cleanliness in our day-to-day life. The governor recalled the father of the nation and said Mahatma Gandhi led the nation in its struggle for freedom from the yoke of British rule, using non-violence and ahimsa as his most powerful weapon. His philosophy and ideal of ahimsa led the country to freedom. The teachings of Mahatma Gandhi says that non-violence is mightier than the mightiest weapon of destruction. Dr. Najma Heptulla maintained that the Prime Minister of India launched the Swachh Bharat mission on October 2nd, 2014 with a committed approach. He declared the day as non-holiday for the government employees and urged them to take up cleanliness drive in their respective workplaces on the day and urged all Indians to devote at least 2 hours per week to clean their surroundings. Governor Najma Heptulla reminded the present generation the worthwhile ideals of Mahatma Gandhi of love and non-violence on the occasion.
His philosophy of non-violence, education and civil disobedience also influenced political activism throughout the world. Knowing of mass mobilization and non-violent action brought down colonialism, strengthened the roots of popular sovereignty, including civil, political and economic rights, and greatly influenced many of freedom struggles and inspired leaders far and wide.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren said 2nd of October is being observed nationwide as a National Cleanliness Day. He opined that it would be appropriate for the present generation to imbibe Mahatma Gandhi's ideals of cleanliness of mind and the environment. He asserted that as a part of Swachhta Hi Seva campaign initiated under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, offices, clubs and various colonies in the state have been conducting cleanliness drives. The Chief Minister appealed to ministers, MLAs and top officials of various departments to put in more concerted efforts. Ministers, chief secretaries, DGPs, MLAs and top officials of various departments took part in the event. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated the Imphal Evening initiative of the government is to tell the world that Manipur has developed an appeal for full cooperation. Biren said the state has been in chaos for quite some time and it gives a wrong perspective to the people. He asserted that major changes have come in the state and that the state is gradually becoming peaceful. Biren maintained that the Imphal Evening initiative is being taken up to present the state in a good image to the world. He said Imphal Evening will provide the people a moment of relaxation with family and friends. However, any sort of intoxicants and smoking will be banned.
Life is basically state of demand Manipur se leकर Manipur से बहुत खेले रहते हैं। फसना नियम लोगों की आना पड़ता है राइस की वैल्यू से या वो ना की लोग ये ना आप सरकार ने लगा कि इंसान को मिलता है कौन नहीं लाते हैं सुनो मुझे ना लाइफ के लिए सी को जाओ से लोग बाहर रहते हैं कुछ Manipur से बहुत लोग यहाँ रहते हैं Numit ka buka somoroga moi later itu ini satu ya jadi low message no mapanas itu kan aku isi itu mapanas ini kan koi ini pelak itu masih bagus.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also observed the occasion at their office on BT Road. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi led the people in offering floral tributes to the Mahatma. Party MLAs and office bearers also paid tributes on the occasion. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar, along with the faculties and students of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Manipur, planted saplings inside the campus of Raj Bhavan today on the occasion of National Cleanliness Day. Cleanliness drives are being conducted in different parts of the state as a part of National Cleanliness Day and Swachhta Hi Seva today. Hindi Teachers Training Institute on DM College campus also had a social service camp at the institute's complex. Director of the institute, teachers and students participated in the cleanliness drive. On the other hand, officials and students of District Institute of Education and Training also cleaned areas in and around the center. Swachhta Hi Seva campaign conducted by District Water and Sanitation Committee Bishnupur and District Swachh Bharat Mission since September 15 concluded today. On the closing day today, Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur, Bobby Wycombe, led the people in paying floral tributes to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Speaking on the occasion, Bobby Wycombe said the campaign was carried out with an aim to sacrifice and keep surroundings neat and clean. Although the campaign concluded today, he appealed to the public to maintain offices in our society neat and clean.
Ministry cleanliness katokpa samdhan habidi koi voluntary work loinana koi lamtu sengokpa aidi very very kairo lekai dim manu kai office workplace simla lunana thambagi adugma pandam amuka loinana koi khongjang si maruena September 12 horga.
In continuation of the Swachhta Pakwara Cleanliness Fortnight, which started on the 1st of this month for Senapati district, Gandhi Jayanti was observed by taking up cleanliness programs throughout the district today. All district level officers, civil society organizations and public took up cleanliness drives in their respective office premises, rooms, streets and drains. As a part of the program, a cleanliness drive was also conducted in the mini secretariat of the district under the supervision of Deputy Commissioner Athim Muiva. More than 150 employees from different departments took part in the cleaning the premises and the respective offices. Observed at different parts of the Jiribam district. Yoga practitioners of Yoga Center, Jiribam, officials of PWD office, Treasury office and Tipaimuk Tribal Economic and Environment Society Tipteats, which is health care center, observed today. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIM celebrated Gandhi Jayanti on the theme Swachh Swasth Jeevan Divas today. A cleanliness drive was conducted in and around the institute on the occasion. Moreh Government Higher Secondary School observed Gandhi Jayanti today. Teachers and students of the school carried out a cleanliness drive on the occasion. Personnel of Moreh Police conducted social service at Moreh Police Station, Moreh Commando Complex and Moreh bus parking areas in connection with Gandhi Jayanti. Moreh Police SDPO Lawrence K. Munlo and 2nd OC Mohammed Akbar Hussain cleaned the areas from Moreh Police Station to Moreh bus parking. A team of Technopol Police also cleaned areas around Technopol Police Station and Technopol Bazaar. Leaders of different communities residing in Moreh along with volunteers of Cookie Student Organization KSO Moreh also took part in the social service. As a part of Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM conducted a cleanliness drive in and around the office surroundings today. The 3-day cleanliness drive under Swachhta Hi Seva held under the theme Cleanliness in Service concluded today. Imphal East Commando Unit along with the Tribal Market Vendor Association conducted a cleanliness drive in and around the Chekon Tribal Market from September 30th. DSP Commando Imphal East K. Robinson said the aim of the drive was to bridge the gap between public and police.
Local club amasung soigi mara paibiga numi humni je mathang mathang chata jakpani aduga ngasigi oina akhoi Tribal Market Association sida lebiri ba ima event singal oina akhoi gi Imphal East Commando Unit ka akhoi sir Deben akhoi gi ai colleague DSP Saglemba aduga OC wifi akhoi lusinga aduga akhoi SP gi makada smai chata jakpani sigi maru iba thimdi lumba nanba akhoi gi society je surrounding ji Luna Nana Thamba, Adugi Matakta Muk, Police ka, public relations, Paganaba, Dugi Tim, the Queen Chata Javani.
The next round of tripartite talks between the United Naga Council, UNC, Government of India and Government of Manipur is likely to take place on the 6th or 7th of this month. This was stated by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at the sidelines of National Cleanliness Day held today on the occasion of the 148th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The Chief Minister said he had conveyed the message to the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding the next round of talks. Replying to the ultimatum served by the UNC to both the central and state government, Biren said it has been apprised to the ministry and that the ministry may have already communicated to UNC in this regard. The last round of tripartite talks involving the state government, the UNC and the Government of India was held on August 11th at Senapati district in Manipur.
Yeah, we have communicated to the ministry, and the ministry might already convey to the UNC gentlemen, because it is the tripartite, tripartite in a sense, the central government is involving, so they will initiate. We have given the date. No, just I have spoken. We have conveyed the message to the ministry, and we have already scheduled the next round of talk will be on 6 or 7. So I think talk will be continued. No, that can be sorted out after only meetings, discussion. So now we have formed this one boundary commission. Just adjustment, क्या करना है, क्या कौन सा district में क्या है को है. Just we have to study and analyze more, na.
Mera Chongba, the only traditional customary common festival of all ethnic groups inhabiting the state of Manipur, will be celebrated on state level at Kangla. Speaking to media persons in front of Uttara Sanglin, Kangla, Art and Culture Minister L. Jentakumar said the festival will be celebrated on the 5th of this month. The festival was organized at various places in the past. However, it will be held at Kangla this year with the participation of people from both the hills and valley. A committee has been formed to organize the festival. About 500 people, including 50 village headmen from the hills, will take part in the festival.
Honorable Government, the Honorable Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Birena, Akoi Mayamda, Tapi Bakai Mayamga, Tandara Matunda, Sum Makalgi, Tiasico Makil Portsing, Masi Yam unique over Mongamada, Tungalakadom Bakalgi, Generation Maduginamakta Tamuksi, Tongantongo Toritina, Tongantongo Jagada, Sinbig Mota, Amato in a state level, the Labam Bakalgi, function ni had an Maduma, we locked over Matunda, Matan Pangtoksi, Handaki Hona, Hibagi, 2017 October Tang Manga, Matudi Pangtok Part and Okil.
A Komlub Kanglei Park will organize a 17 Mera Hauchongba on October 5th at 9 a.m. in Kaithal Manbi, Lojing, Ima Kaithal. Haumi Research Guild has greeted people of all communities on the occasion of Mera Hauchongba. The Guild, in a press release, also appreciated the government's initiative to celebrate the festival in state level. All India Radio will commission 9 FM stations in the Northeast India. Ukhrul with 1 kilowatt FM transmission is among the stations. 1 each in Tura, Meghalaya and Longtarai, Tripura with 5 kilowatt FM transmission is on the list. AIR will also commission 1 kilowatt each at Golpara and Lumting in Assam, Nutan Bazar in Tripura, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya and Woka and Pek in Nagaland. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. The 28th Loktak Festival 2017 will be held on October 5th at Loktak Laiden Bilam Park, Thanga, under the theme Save Loktak Lake for the Future of Manipur. Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindro announced that the festival may be held at state level from next year. The festival is being organized by Loktak Lake Development Organization with an aim to save the lake. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, MLA Robindro said the festival is being held since 1990. The size of the biggest freshwater lake in Northeast has been decreasing on a daily basis. The MLA expressed apprehensions that the lake may diminish someday if we do not act in time. Responding to Impact News query, Robindra asserted that Loktak Lake Development Organization has urged the relevant authorities to hold a festival on a state level like those of Shirui Lili and Sangai festivals. The MLA also stated that the Chief Minister has assured him of holding the festival at state level.
Koi Norista quite fresh water lake or Bakoi Loktak Lake. Nasi Mai or Pivum Sequena, Kandaba Yade, Loktak Six, Nomonomusum, Social Pivum Se, Manki, Dore Hibagi, Akibama Park Potegi, Meragi Punimano Birasida, Koi Loktak Festival, Sesum Pangtok Lai. Loktak Sik Kanbagi, Matanga, resource persons in Mamko, Raganda, Karamba Step Lokalaga, Kadoraka Loktak Kangadi Hibadugi, Prajaman the Kanganaba, Adumbagi Kananaba. Function of Yauri. Government Kogi Siri Festival, Kogi state level Pukare, Sangai Festival, Sisu state level Pukaredo, Koi Loktak Yam important Noiba, tourism gi potential Yam Labor. Advantage of the Loktak State Festival that is take a tacta Pukapi and Kogi proposed of Zagredo, CM Nazu consideration to Victor Mali Mana, Handak Tekatang two gre, Adamatang de Mana, state level so state festival the Yalakadu Mali.
Despite assurances given by Chief Minister Nongthom Biren that NSCN-IM would be wiped out from the state, harassments in the form of monetary demands and other threats by its cadres still terrifies the villages of Aimol village in Palil district. President of Aimol Tribe Union Manipur, R.T. Akhil, drew the attention of the concerned authorities regarding the increasing harassments meted out to villages of Aimol village by NSCN-IM cadres who have taken shelter in 4 neighboring villages of Aimol village of Palil, namely Chingnohut, Kunjai, Kumbire and Satru. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, R.T. Akhil maintained that after a brief peaceful 5 to 6 months following many untoward incidents that have occurred in the past 2 to 3 years regarding the demands for Aimol community to convert into a Naga community, the NSCN-IM cadres have started harassing the villagers of Aimol village yet again. He said Aimol community wants to exist in peace and harmony and that Aimol community neither wants to convert into a Naga community nor a Kuki community. He reiterated that Aimol belongs to Aimol community. On the other hand, R.T. Akhil appealed that other villages to stop trying to encroach upon the land of Aimol village and warned of legal actions against those trying to encroach the land.
aimol si aimol oina leijege NSCL IM na hairiba mafam sida leibasi house tech demand tauba amadi tongan by kogi aimol officer sing the demand tauba sing si to piro haibasi kogi appeal ne the aimol ge land sing si hingun sing si encroacher to si like extend tawraga lam si mulak na bagi formula tauba asigumba kangu ge maring khun gi site su asigumba se pressure si hoji kuju compromise to the adum lai demarcation si Manipur government gi record leijaba asigi pot se asigi wang mada makoina ekoi gi lamne hedena changsillaga majority oiba makoi singsina control to na pot.
Sagang Subdivision Demand Committee organized a public meeting at Sagang Youth Club Hall today. The meeting unanimously resolved to demand the government to upgrade Sagang under Saikot Assembly constituency in Churachandpur district into a subdivision. Village heads under Sagang area also attended the meeting. Speaking at the meeting, social convener Lankomang Serto maintained that giving subdivisional status to Samu Lamlan Kul will not help in developing the area under the village, but upgrading Sagang into a subdivision would help develop the areas under Sagang. Improper construction of Kewa Bridge on Iril River by the Tinsit Road has led to suppression of around 600 meters of the river bank around top Awang Lekai. Eastern Sporting Association in a press release drew the attention of the concerned authority to look into the matter. Accountant cum data entry operators of Gram Panchayats under the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj states is sitting today at Keshampatla Majam Lekai Community Hall demanding extensions of 161 employees. Speaking at the sit-in, Secretary of ADEO Association Saubam Momon said these 161 employees begin work from June 4th last year after an order by the government on October 21st, 2014. The one-year contract ended on June 18 this year. However, the government has been utilizing the employees. Momon said it is unfortunate that the government is trying to hire new accountant cum data entry operators ADEOs. He appealed the government to extend the service of these employees who run their families with a meager amount of salaries.
Department gi oiba thabak kya ama sudan lai si makhada akogi tongan ba department gi nattaba akogi service ta assign toba nattaba atoba Manipur government gi oiba matam gi thabak sing samna habda se akogi election gi duty satpa adagi hoji ko koi Aadhaar seeding job card ki phawa akogi tauba electoral roll semba akogi election da yam sauba role akoina dum lawjaki adagi hoji mak chathariba panchayat ki general panchayat election October ki date 7 pangthok ka darwa sigi da so ekoi ki marakti ka ama edio ma ama hoje training targa election duty ki da mutasat sadna ba ekoi thabiri.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU has alleged misconduct in the recruitment of accountants by the Directorate of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Speaking to media persons at their office on DM College campus, AMSU Vice President Peter Leishram said when the Directorate notified for the post on 18th of August this year, it clearly mentioned that applicants need to be a graduate from a recognized university. Unfortunately, out of the 6 selected candidates, 2 have passed from National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS, while there are others who have done nursing and other non-related courses. AMSU has appealed the relevant authority to review the selection.
Nursing ki graduation da nursing ki area na sanghalamba, arts ki area na sanghalamba, amadi akogi 10, 12 amadi moi tamapa pastor kiba du nose ta pastor kiba adugumlaba candidate mayam yorumba haiba department na sigi adugumba yorumba dugi damakta akoi AMSU na thengnazaraga ngasigi asigumlaba press meet asida haiba candidate sing asigi karam na khalino review tawgadabani haibasi akoi AMSU na thamjaningi.
Moreh police conducted a drive against dices around Moreh Bazaar and confiscated 18 dices. The confiscated dices were disposed of at Moreh police station in presence of media persons. Second OC of Moreh police station, Akbar Hussain, appealed the public to abstain from gambling and to inform the police if found organizing such gambling. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association (AMFA) has strongly condemned DDK Imphal for taking Imphal Gilawbuk Maikai Panglasi program off air. AMFA in a press release appealed the state and the centre government to continue the program. While asserting that the Directorate of Education is in the forefront of education sector, Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam appealed to officials of the department to maintain a clean and healthy atmosphere. Speaking to media persons at the conference hall of the Directorate of Education as Lamphel today, Radheshyam said Swachhta Pakhwara, a cleanliness program under the initiative of BJP-led government, was held from September 1st to 15 in all educational institutes. The minister maintained that the government pays extra importance in keeping our surroundings neat and clean. Radheshyam said educational institutes and offices under the government are not just for the government. He asked the staff and students under the government departments to treat them like their own and help maintain in keeping the departments neat and clean. The minister further said Swachhta Pakhwara will not only teach the students to keep the surroundings neat and clean, but will also become habitual. He said the cleanliness program will continue in different parts of hills and valley.
Mental, mind and soul and heart yauna na nabagi akoi angang singkira sang chat leptana tawgena akoi education department ta akoi khanjabani aduga akoi department singira akoi chalu matamda not only sengdokpa khitana tana building structure mawong taramdaba adagi toilet phajana leramdaba lab phajana leitaba sigum mayam se akoi plan taro akoi toina nahandagi akoi kanna dum tanajari master plan am semaga within a limited resource sahi ahungi mangna sa building si loina kaira ga wall se cemented walls loin kaira le thekadar oigera oja oigera principal oigera mantri oigera secretary oigera commissioner oigera pochi akoi gene akoi tawjabani sagi yum sabna khallaga akoi madu khanbase ngasigi cleanliness akoi chathai sira masi wakal jo khalan bagi ama yahun se na akoi tawjabani adana.
Central government sought socio-economic survey and ethnographic report by an organization to repute with regards to the inclusion of Meitei, Maitai and the scheduled tribe list. Home Department, Government of Manipur in a press release said Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribe would be examining the matter from relevant angle to conduct studies and submit recommendations. The state government will take appropriate actions as soon as the report is received from the commission. A team of State Health Directorate today inspected the Chandal District Hospital, which is aimed at being inaugurated anytime this month. The 50-bedded hospital, funded by donor minister, began construction in 2009. Taking part in the inspection, Director of Health Services, Dr. K. Raju, said the hospital, which will have specialists in all sections per the wishes of the Chief Minister, will soon be inaugurated. So far, 20 crore 75 lakhs rupees have been spent for the construction, which is being handled by the PDA agency. 10 crore 22 lakh rupees is in balance. There will be 2 operation theatres in the hospital. Fencing, water and electricity is being organized at the moment. There are plans to make a 100-bedded hospital as well. Dr. Raju said there are plans to inaugurate the Tamenglong Hospital this month too. Apart from few equipments, the hospital is almost complete.
Central District Hospital asi 31 Tora Babugi manungda koin inauguration tawnanaba Chief Minister gi aningba ama leibadagi koin ngasi ji health Director ki team ama laktuna koi yengsare parsing si koi gi operation theater ani lere gynae gi general surgery gi labor room lere adagi OPD gi ward khudima koi gi male ward female ward pediatric ward loina koina specialist khudima ki section loina lere loina masiga loina na natra masiga matana koi tamil na sanju koi ji loisa lag lere sigi same stage lere koi electric connection lere ising lere tamilong gi ayamba koi manungi equipment ketang watpa equipment watpasina karigino da koina masi porsi heta leibase khudakta leibase matam khar sangba aduna tam masi mejalaga yam thona madusu handaki thasida yakoi sangaba ngamnaba hona jagan.
Manipur Sanskrit Academy celebrated their first annual function at Lamyanba Sanglan today. Various resource persons delivered lectures on the importance of Sanskrit at the event. Speaking at the sidelines of the program, Principal of the Academy, Laihobam Sarachandra Sharma, said the use of Sanskrit words in other languages shows the significance of the language. He said the language is important in order to purify the minds of the current generation that live in this conflict region. 4 eminent Sanskrit scholars of the state were honored at the event. Speaker Kempton was the chief guest at the function.
Manipur Katana, Bharat Kitan, from Kayada, Amadi Prithivigi, Pongudi Matangasi, Sanskrit Haribalo, say, Yana popular about Prithivigi, language Kudimaki, Horupum, Dumakasagi, language Amani Hadangashi, UNESCO, United Nations, Yan Owan Utaki Kaikunu, Ule, Madumakasi, Manipurgi, Ahalwera, Laiguru, Zaguru, Mayamusu, Nasi Manipur, Sanskrit, Chakut Navidamakta, Tavuk Torum Mayam, Honorame, the Shinamati, Sanskrit Haribalo, say, Jati, Beda, Sakchu, Ninupanupi, Kaida, Mu Kudimaki. Sunagi Mu Kutanatana, Jagat Asidaleva, Jiva Pam, Tawai Pam, Uchek, Waya Ching Paturil, Pogi, Jagat Ki Kalyan, Gimashako, Dunga language.
The slogan, "We are one" by those present at the Manipur Catholic Women Convention 2017 was the highlight of the convention today. Manipur Catholic Women Convention 2017, which kicked off on September 30th at Christ Jyoti, Mantri Pukri, is organized by Manipur Catholic Women Organization. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar graced the convention as the chiefest. Cultural dances and songs of different tribal communities represented at the event. The convention will conclude tomorrow. The 9th Youth Leadership Training cum Social Service Camp of Changanga Youth's Union Club concluded today. A free medical camp was also held on the concluding day. As conducted every year, the program kicked off on the 30th of September. The program, which was sponsored by RK Fortune Developers Limited, saw various programs like painting competition, debate competition, cultural programs and Irabot Day celebrations. The main event was held at the club's ground in Changangai. A free ENT camp was also held at the venue yesterday. Various experts spoke about leadership on the occasion.
Youth Singda, Satra Singda, leadership qualities instilled on the Pantuk Sabni. KMC mornings in a social service came to afternoon hours in a resource person Kauraga, Higi, Angang Sing Sida, leadership qualities, Kimatang Nganganba, Adi impact of no technologies Lapam Sina, Angang no Ribangang Sing the Kari impact Pikan, Sigi counseling Toba, plus medical camp, 3 days medical camp, Pantuk Tang Wanda, ENT, Angasina medicine. Aduga hayeng tang mga dana ako'y ay gikem pangtuk sa kanila.
A painting competition and an article writing competition was held today at Johnstone Higher Secondary School today on the occasion of the 62nd Wildlife Week celebration. The competition held under the theme Celebrate the Rights of Wildlife was organized by the Central Forest Division, Department of Forests. It was held for the students of Imphal West and Imphal East districts. Students from Class 5 to Class 8 participated in the painting competition and students from Class 9 to Class 12 took part in the article writing competition. About 1,000 students from different schools took part in the competition. Officials of Forest Department saw over the competition. Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the country in the month of October from 2nd to 8th October every year with a view to preserve the fauna of India. General Secretary, Administration of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar inaugurated an office of Uripok Progressive Building and other workers' union today. The office, which is newly opened at Uripok NG College Road, will issue registration and smart cards to laborers. President of the people and several people of the area attended the inaugural event. Renault Quid second anniversary edition was unveiled at Motors Private Limited showroom Mantri Pukri today as Renault Quid completed its sale for 2 years in the country. Proprietor of Gibday Motors Private Limited and many others attended the event. The new editions comes in red and white colors, has a sporty look and ground clearance of 180 mm. The price of the car ranges from 3.95 lakh rupees to 4.49 lakh rupees. Financial assistance continue to pour in for the Manipuri players representing India in the upcoming Under-17 FIFA World Cup. Corporator of Ward Number 3, Hizam Nutan Chandra, provided financial assistance to the parents of Thangjam Boris and Kumanthim Ningthoinganba from the ward. The amount was provided to the parents at an event held at a residents of the corporator in Thangmaiban Thingel, Maru today, appreciated the state government for announcing a cash award of 5 lakh rupees each to the 8 Manipuri players representing India. He also announced that 10 litres each of kerosene will be provided from his quota to the parents of the 2 players. Nutan Chandra assured of all possible support in the future as well.
Under 17 World Cup ta saru yabasida masigi choba blessing ama mai pakna choba blessing ama ai side gi pijari loina na yam chau thok chani ngai ba player ni pan sigi manungda player ani madi thai bandi gi oiba ada thai ban si maroina ai ward gi ai ward number 3 gi oijabani aduna aina ai side gi angamba sen gi tengbang khaji kitang pijabani tungda hawrliba sanari isa singa sina Manipur gi sakta iba bar basigi sakta ibani na mokhoida to mokhoina hayeng chapchawa phiri ama lepa ngamna bagi damakta chap chapa masaga sanaba thaba pining bagi apamba ina phongdok chari matam chupada wana mathigi cooperator amoina ina thaiman gi damakta lepsa gani maroina aigi site ju ina angamba eni suma plat tholop thodu wa thokhudi makta isa singi damakta player singi damakta ina angama mating pangna sem sadun laijai
BJP Manipur Pradesh State Sports Cell said 8 Manipuri footballers representing India in the upcoming Under-17 FIFA World Cup are the ones who survived favoritism and nepotism to reach this far. The sports cells wish luck to the 8 footballers. Before we end the primetime bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the nation in observing National Cleanliness Day. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla appeals people to continue practicing cleanliness in our day-to-day life. Cleanliness drives conducted today in different parts of the state as a part of National Cleanliness Day and Swachhta Hi Seva. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren says the next round of tripartite talks between the United Naga Council, Government of India and Government of Manipur is likely to take place on the 6th or 7th of this month. Mera Hautongba, the only traditional customary common festival of all ethnic groups in Manipur, will be celebrated on state level at Kangla on the 5th of this month. And All India Radio to commission 9 FM stations in the Northeast India, Ukhrul in the list.